Hi, welcome to Cali Soda Adventure and Review. My name is Chris. Today I'm going to be reviewing a product by a company named Cars Play on Amazon. It is a remote controlled 360 degree rotating LED spotlight. Let's check it out. Now this Searchlight has a rubber base with 6 very strong magnets on the bottom to help with mounting on a vehicle. You can also mount it permanently on, let's say, maybe a boat. That comes with a stainless steel hardware kit. Very robust, nice hardware kit. I'm going to be mounting it on the truck. I'm going to be putting it on my roof, and I will not be using the hardware. Obviously, I do not want to drill holes in my truck. It has a 360 degree rotating option. The light itself can pitch up and down quite a number of degrees. I think the use for this would be really good on a boat. The remote actually works quite far. I put this on my truck last night and I walked all the way across the street, probably 50 yards, and it still worked great. I didn't need to put the antenna up yet. Tonight I'm going to test out how far it'll really work. I'll show you footage of that later. It came packaged extremely well. It was a foam lined box within an Amazon box, so it was very protected in shipping. The front of the light itself had a protective screen coating that I peeled off to protect it from scratching during transport. This light would be perfect for anybody who had a larger boat, who maybe use their boat for hunting, duck hunting for instance. It does come in 2 different colors, black and white. My truck is white, so I opted to get the white color to kind of blend in with the paint. Ultimately, this is where I'm going to mount it on my truck. While I'm driving, I'll have it rotated around so bugs don't hit the lens. But otherwise, I'm going to run the wiring with my CB wiring on my roof rack down the truck, and I'm going to hardwire this to the truck so I can always have it on no matter what. Right now I just threw it up on the roof. I want to show you how far away I can go with the remote. So here I am at the back of the truck by the bumper. And I'm going to go across our street to the park, and we'll show you how far it can actually go. I'm thinking it's going to work all the way over here by this little bouncy thing. Let's test it out. Okay, so far I made it across the street. The remote still works totally fine. I do not have the antenna up right now. Let's go a little farther. Now you can see I'm all the way at the park. I'm pretty far from my truck. I have my camera zoomed in quite a bit. I did put the antenna up on the remote control, and it still works completely fine. I don't see myself ever needing to be this far away from the truck and having the remote control, but it works. I'm pretty darn far away. I've been wanting a light like this for a long time now. I decided to bite the bullet and buy the remote spotlight from Cars Play because of the reviews I read and the cost on Amazon. I didn't want to spend $400 or $500 on a professional spotlight when I'm just doing recreational things with my truck. This thing fit the bill. It works extremely well so far. I tested it for about an hour last night when I first received it. The remote works extremely far away, even with the antenna in. It takes a 9-volt battery, so I know it's going to last for a long time. The reach on the light is extremely far. I'll do a night video following up, but I would say I could light up trees about 200 yards away pretty easily. Overall, it's a great light. I have no complaints about anything of it so far. I'm going to mount it on the truck and I'll show you that next step. So here it is installed on the roof with the magnets. I'm going to put some silicone down on it also, but I ran the wiring inside the truck and I will be hardwiring it to the truck. Right now I just plugged it into the cigarette lighter adapter. I hope you liked today's video. I'm really happy with my purchase. I think you would be happy with it too. It has many, many uses: boats, RVs, off-road camping. If you like this video, please check out my other light video. There's actually a chance for you to win a free set if you make a comment on that video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.